Hello, I am going to show you how to share your Edpuzzle videos without having to load your classes into Edpuzzle. Or maybe you have videos that you want to share with a club or a team or a group of teachers where you would not have a Google Classroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three-line menu over here, and I'm going to go to my content, and I'm going to pick one of the videos in my content. Pick this 9/11 video that I had to edit a bad word out of. Now I'm going to go over here to this three-line menu, and I'm going to go to Assign. Now, instead of assign to a class and picking the class, I'm going to go to Public Links. Now, here's a public link. I can copy this link and then I can put it in an email or in a remind message or post it wherever. I can post it in a Google Classroom, even though I haven't loaded the Google Classrooms into Edpuzzle. This just gives you another option of how to share the Edpuzzle videos.